Hi friends, today we are going to see the custom skill to identify the CoCo cost. Uh, so nowadays everybody is looking for CoCo, and then the cost involved is the sensitive topic. Everybody is looking into that, right? So considering that in mind, I have created a custom skill which will look into the entire account and come up with a CoCo cost, CoCo token cost and other related categories for both CLI and snow side. So let me first switch my current deity to the deity where I have the skills. Let me quickly go copy this, put it over here. Let me switch my deity so that my reports are generated in a correct folder. So once that is done, let me switch this to autonomous or bypass safeguard mode so that I'm not executing the same thing. So you can see I am currently into this directory under which I have lot of custom skill. Today we are going to see the CoCo cost analyzer. So we'll type CoCo cost analyzer, and then I will just say scan my Snowflake account for CoCo cost, and I will just execute this. It will take couple of minutes to scan through each and every table. So basically there are two tables under which the CoCo cost is tracked. One is for CLI, one is for SnowSite. It will go ahead, scan everything, come up with a detailed HTML report which talks about the where I am spending, how much under which model, and all those details. So we have to just wait for a couple of minutes to get these things ready. So you can see that it's asking query SnowSite CoCo uses history for last 90 days. So basically this report works in a way, it will give you two tab report, HTML report. One will for CLI, one is for SnowSite, and both the tab will have a date picker of 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, and then a custom option as well, right? So that's how the report look like, and based on what you select you will see the detail around that. So it says like it's executing all the queries and started tracking everything. So you can see that there is an issue with this path. So what it is doing, it is going ahead and creating a directory under that, right? So if it doesn't find the directory which I have mentioned in the skill, it will go ahead and create the requested directory into that particular current location, and from there it will take it to start generating the HTML report. That's how this custom skill works. So either you can first redirect your CoCo into particular path where you want to generate the report. Under that it will create the report based on whatever has been specified in the scale, else it will always go ahead and start creating the report on a respective path with in the current directory, starting current directory. So example, if I have not switched my directory, it will go ahead and create in the current CoCo bin directory from where I am running this CoCo. So you can see that at the moment it has created a skill, sorry, it's a path or a directory. We'll see where the final report is generated. We'll see the report. So I think it's taking some time. Maybe we can go and see if it has created something around that. So you can see it's today's report. I think it started creating that. Let's wait for some time. It can see that it has created the CoCo HTML report. So meanwhile it is also running certain checklist. Let's go ahead and start scanning the HTML report. So let me just open this HTML report, and you can see this HTML report is 2 tab, right? And it has different date picker like 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, right? So I will just go ahead on 7 days because I am using CLI CoCo CLI from last 7 days at high note. Prior to that, if you see, you not see much difference after 30 days. Example, you will not see difference on anything because I was not using this account. This account is very new, so we'll see only a difference between 7 days and 15 days, right? So you can see that I have burned around 7.13 million token credit is this, input token is this, output token is this, cash rate, cash write, total credit, and the top model which I am using is cloud 4.6, right? So That's and this is the token uses over time, token type breakdown, token create over time, create breakdown by token type, model uses comparison, per user token consumption, uses detail table, right? So this is how you will see all the detail, and you can see the same thing for the snow site as well. The same category or the KPI is taken care, because both the table for CLI and snow site is identical. So you will see the same KPIs, but the data will be for the respective thing, whether you are using snow site or CLI. So this is all about the CoCo cost, and from this you will able to understand that for snow site my top model is Claude Opus 4.6, but for CLI, okay, for both it is Claude 4.6, right? Because I think that's the default option which is going with thing, and if I want to change, I can always change on the CoCo, right? So it says like the all the verification and everything has been done, summary is being printed, highlights and all those things, and the report has been generated, right? And that's all about the CoCo cost analyzer skill, which you can run in your Snowflake account and get the insight out of where you are spending more on the CoCo related cost. Just just to be very clear, this CoCo cost analyzer is taking care of the token and related cost. It is not giving you the holistic view of each and every warehouse and all those things, because those references are yet not available on the Snowflake ecosystem or the metadata. So you can't relate a particular thread of a CoCo with a particular warehouse which has been used or executed during the execution phase. So you will not make out the holistic cost of running a thread, but you can get the holistic view, which is basically your 80% of the cost of CoCo is the token cost, right? So that we can take care using this CoCo cost analyzer custom skill. Thank you.